In the world filled with chaos, my message to the tired mom will be to the mother who is weary in ways no one truly notices, the one who keeps moving forward even when her body is drained and the spirit feels weighed down. This is for you. God noticed the early rises, the late night, the sacrifice that rarely receive acknowledgement. He sees the meals you prepare, the tears you quietly brush away, the prayers you whisper when the house is finally still. And on the days you question whether you are enough, God says you are doing sacred work in the middle of everyday life. Every embrace, every lessons, every time you choose love, even when you feel empty, it counts. You don't have to be flawless to be a good mother. Just keep loving, keep showing up, keep trusting that God is carrying you, even when you feel fragile. If today feels especially heavy, pause and breathe slowly. You are not alone. You are not unseen. You are deeply cherished by your children and by God. And tomorrow, His message will find you again, right where you are. Rest in that, Mama. Rest there. You are doing far better than you realize. And if you needed this today, please save it or share it with someone who does. Thank you.